Hi everyone, I am Mohit Anchlia, a Big Data Evangelist and also your instructor for the Hadoop Fundamentals program. I have 15 years of programming experience in developing data-centric applications and last several years working on big data applications. I am a certified Hadoop professional and certified Java professional. I am also certified in web services development, which is a Sun certified program. I help organizations solve big data challenges, and some of the most commonly occurring use cases that I see out there and the ones that I've worked on is data lifecycle management, clickstream data ingestion, and developing big data architecture to process massive data sets. Today, organizations are finding it very difficult to manage huge amounts of data that's being generated by the applications and users interacting with those applications. Now, the huge amounts of data growth is posing a unique set of challenges, and that's where Hadoop is increasingly becoming the framework that helps organizations navigate the big data wave in most cost-efficient way. Hadoop is a massively parallel programming framework that is able to manage and mine data and look for valuable insights. Hadoop has gained popularity unlike any other framework and has created a large demand for the resources with appropriate Hadoop skill sets. We have uniquely created this training program to make you successful in this journey. This program specifically includes what is big data, 360-degree view of Hadoop, Hadoop paradigm, Hadoop ecosystem, HDFS architecture and all of its components, making Namenode highly available, and we go in greater detail of how to make it highly available because that's one of the most commonly occurring challenges that organizations face. Hadoop Java APIs interacting with HDFS. I am so excited to lead you through this journey and help you become a successful Hadoop professional who is able to apply their skills to architect and develop big data solutions. Thanks.